We're here today at my daughter's college campus. We're getting ready to go and check out her dorm that we moved her in a couple months ago, and we're going to go see how it goes and the organizing projects that we worked on, if they helped, if they were a good idea. We'll check it out. Come along for the ride. So most college dorms come with a set of drawers. So we're going to take a look at what we use to organize the drawers and keep them neat and tidy, because they're not as big as the drawers that your mom has at home. So this one, I love these little boxes. We got these at, these are Ikea ones. They have a little zipper on here so they come flat. They're easy to travel with. And you can contain socks and underwear, unmentionables, all sorts of things. And it keeps it organized so you can pack more in there. So in the drawers where you don't have the space to use dividers, if you fold your shirts into little pockets, you can tuck them right in here, and you can actually fit quite a bit more because it uses the back brace of the wood here. You can squeeze in more stuff and still access it. It's pretty amazing. So this is how you fold a shirt to get it into that little pocket that we used. I do mine, put the side that you want showing towards you, fold these in, fold this side in so you've got like a little hot dog, and you fold it a third up and a third down. If your drawer isn't quite that deep, on this part you can do it in half, then in half again. You can still see a little corner of the shirt on the top so you know which one you're grabbing. Then it just goes right back in. Done. So this is a great addition to what standardly comes with your dorm room. Any extra surface space that you can fit in there creatively is going to be great. You're going to love it. So this is the Kallax, I think is the brand that they use now at Ikea. Very simple square unit. I'm going to come on in and see this. So we have this divided out. We've got jeans stacked here and our bulky sweaters and sweatshirts. Those are pretty easy to fold. Not a whole lot is going here. If you're going to put t-shirts here, there's so many that go in, you'll want a basket or something to contain them. But this works pretty well for the bulky items. We also have extra mugs and the carrying things for drinks. And this keeps everything neat and tidy. Plus, it's great to put a TV on top of. One of the things that you're really going to want to look for in accessorizing and adding to your dorm is going to be extra storage space that's compact and provides a lot of bang for your buck. So this is a great tool for the loft bed or even the beds that aren't quite loft, because you can hang it using Velcro on the bars here, and you have all these great pockets. This one's big enough to put a laptop in if your laptop isn't too huge. It's pretty secure. The Velcro goes all the way down the back, and you don't have to get up and down from your bed when you're doing some homework or after you head up for the night. So hopefully you'll have some sort of closet space as well. This closet has just one simple bar here. If you need more hanging space in this, there's some great products that hang a second bar just from here. It hangs it down and there's a second bar to put clothes on. One of the things that we did to make extra space is we used these velvet hangers. You can get on Amazon. They're very slim. They don't leave the marks on your clothes that kind of stretch them out. And they definitely save space. You can probably fit almost twice as much in here than with the plastic tubular ones. The other thing that we did in here, we put some command hooks up here so we could hang belts and scarves. And up here there's just some extra storage just for whatever you kind of need. Just toss it up there. It's a little high out of reach. Then down below here, you can see this down here, we have we bought this shelf. This didn't come with the closet, to stack shoes onto. Simple shoe shelf. We'll put a link below for that too. But it came in great because this girl, she does love her shoes. So a few more things that make the closet work great. We have these skirt hangers. They clip on right here. It's a little bit cumbersome to have to, if I want the middle one out, I have to take all these ones out, but it saves a lot of space if you have a lot of skirts. The other thing that we love is a hanging jewelry organizer. You got to get pretty creative with your space, and this one has all these great zipper pockets that are very shallow, so you just put a couple little trinkets in here and they stay safe and tidy. Another helpful item that we love are these totes to hold all the bathroom gear, face wash, shaving stuff, and shampoo. And you can just grab this. It has a good mesh, so if it gets wet, it can just dry off. And once it's dry, we just set it right there in the front of the closet. Onto something a little more utilitarian. This is a great laundry bag we fell across. I love it. It has this backpack situation on the back. It's a good strong hanging rope, so it stores on the side of the bed frame. Has a little pouch here to carry some of the things that you're going to be hauling to the laundry room. And then good storage. That's about a week's worth of clothes, and it does pretty well. Most college dorms are going to come up with some sort of desk arrangement, seating arrangement for you to do work in. The problem is they're usually pretty small. So this one is only functional because it has this hutch on top. This is something that we purchased, so we can put that link in the bottom. What's great about this is it has enough space for a couple of baskets to compartmentalize all the messy things. So this one is mostly forks and knives. Got some medicine, and we have just some hygiene stuff. It's big enough to hold books, which is great, something that you're going to want to look for. If it's too small, it's not going to expand your space very much, and we're really looking for extra vertical and horizontal space to put things. This is another container store find. I love that it's all divided out because there's not really a place to put all these little things because they don't have their own bathrooms in a dorm. So you can slide that in there, little mirror, you're ready to go. So with all of your drawer space, you're going to want to compartmentalize as much as you can. I love these little dividers for pens and pencils and the desk paraphernalia. Click together. They're pretty inexpensive. You can find these on Amazon as well. The link's down below. And for the bigger drawers, the same concept as the clothing drawers. Compartmentalize anything you can, kind of hold things together and keep it tidy and organized. So if you have the space, I would suggest being pretty creative and getting a little kitchen area going on here. We've got this adorable fridge. I love this. We've got a couple baskets to hold some teas and snack items. This is another great find that I fell in love with. It's a very small Keurig, so it boils the water and you can put your little K-cups in there. But the beauty is it also makes hot water, so you can have some instant oatmeal or anything else. It's just kind of just add water type thing. You don't need a microwave. So this has been a source of fun and enjoyment and really kind of makes it feel like home in here. So while this isn't an organizing tip, this is a good one. For the bed, we decided it needed to be super comfy, feel like home, and the safe spot to be in the dorm. So this bed has a very simple mattress that comes with it, and we sealed it inside one of those bug ones. So we didn't know who slept on this before, so we want to make sure there's no germs going on. And then we put actually I think there's an egg crate one with cheap foam on the bottom, and then a memory foam mattress next, and then some super comfy sheets and all these fluffy blankets. It's like a Princess in the Pea effect up here going on, but it is probably my favorite spot in this whole dorm is right on this bed.